You have a lot of choices in the Bay Area. You can live here, or you can live here. Your commute could look like this, or it could be like this.
You can spend your time like this, or like this.
Your views could be like this, or they could be like this. Your morning ride could be like this, or it could be like this.
Don't you think it's time to start considering a lifestyle change?
Check out the rural communities in San Mateo County, such as Kings Mountain, Skylonda, La Honda, and Pescadero.
We've got East Bay prices with a great peninsula location.
The best thing is, you can get from here to there in about 20 minutes.
So give us a call and we can start planning out your lifestyle change.